Personalize your designs instantly. Click Design It Yourself online. Have a design draft to modify? Upload your picture directly. No design draft? Select a template directly. Massive design templates are available for your selection. Select a suitable template. You can change a new element from Replace Image. Add art. Feel free to add elements of various themes. The backside can be designed at the same steps. Log in to save your design. You can edit or view your design next time. Preview the effects of our plating options. Click Let GSJJ decide for me if you have no clear idea. Select the style, size, colors, quantity, etc. Click Quote Online. Once confirmed your design and order, we'll arrange the production and delivery as soon as possible. An online design system can meet all your needs. Massive designs for free, fast online design, plating effects previewing, online saving, quick quote online. Be your designer now.